The purpose of this analysis is to compare health status and health conditions with social determinants of health by examining the rates of depression, giving population estimates, poverty rates, overall health status, and reported drug use at the county level. For the data visualization, it is recommended that you enter full screen mode by clicking the icon in the lower right corner. The top table of this dashboard shows the percentages of patients in each state that have frequent mental distress and poor or fair health. The graphs at the bottom show the relationship between the percentage of patients that experience frequent mental distress and the percentage that experience poor or fair health, the percentage that report excessive drinking, the population size, and the childhood poverty rates. Using this dashboard, we can filter data to a selected state. For this example, we will select Arkansas from the upper table by scrolling down and selecting Arkansas with the mouse. The data reveals that 14.8% of the population experience frequent mental distress, while 23.1% experience poor or fair health in Arkansas. Furthermore, there is a strong positive association in Arkansas counties where those that report a higher percentage of the population with frequent mental distress also report a higher percentage with poor or fair health. However, in counties with a higher percentage of frequent mental distress, there's a lower percentage of the population that report drinking excessively. There doesn't appear to be a strong relationship with population size. However, in counties with higher percentages of children in poverty, there is also higher rates of mental distress. The use of this dashboard can reveal trends in health outcomes related to depression and health status that are related to poverty rates and population size for specific geographic locations.